butternut squash, sour stew, red onions, tomatoes, tamarind paste, and butternut squash. Season and saute the vegetables and add ginger garlic paste. Butternut squash is so nutritious, very rich in vitamin A and fiber, many other nutrients. I call it thick soup basically. It goes very well with eggs. You don't have to make it with eggs, but I just love it. So please see the link below for a full recipe. This is a thick paste. You can make it with any vegetables, such as okra, bottle gourd. So many vegetables go with this. And I love to add some protein to it, so I added some eggs. So you don't have to do that if you're a vegetarian. Subscribe for more health tips. Hey, look how beautiful this is. This is Dr. Saila. I'm enjoying this with steamed rice and ghee, which is clarified butter. This helps with the absorption of vitamin A, which is a fat-soluble vitamin. Hope you'll try this.